In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about commenting. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Alright, so comment tags. Here's the thing. Whenever we write code, we really should comment some of it. What comments do is that lets other programmers know exactly what it is that we're writing here. It's in HTML, it's fairly important. In CSS, definitely important because you can say this is this specific rule for paragraphs on our page, or the form has this formatting, or whatever. Okay, it's very, very important there. But in HTML, we also need to know how to do this because there's a lot of stuff we can put in the comments. For example, who authored the page? Like who's the person who created this page? What what division is this? For example, what section of the page? Is this the footer, the header? Is it the main body of the page? There's all kinds of stuff that we can put into our comments. So commenting in HTML is actually pretty simple. All we do is we just type in our HTML comment tags. Here's the syntax. Here's how it starts. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create I have my HTML template. I'm going to save this as comments. There we go. Page development, tutorial pages, comments. Yay. All right. Comments. So let's say I have a comment that I want to type in. Okay. Here's the syntax. It is less than, exclamation point, dash, space, whatever the comment is. I'm going to say this is a comment. Pretty cool. Close out a comment doing dash greater than. That's it. Now here's the thing. If I save my file and I go and I open it in my web browser, you'll see that I won't actually see anything. Okay, comments are invisible to whoever's viewing the page. They're not what they call, they're not rendered. Okay? We don't want them rendered too. That's a good thing, because you wouldn't want somebody seeing all of your code saying like something along the lines of this. If I have a heading, says something like Bob's Rib Shack. Okay, that would be a company name. Okay, if I save it and go view the file, it says Bob's Rib Shack, right? But I don't want somebody to know that this is the name of the company. So I put those in the comments after this closing H2 tag right here. Okay. You can add comments pretty much anywhere within your page. But where I do not suggest you put them is above the doc type or above HTML. I would put like stuff like, for example, who created the document when in the head section. Okay. So let's say I want to type in some authoring information. And I'm going to say this. This is comments.html. And it's created by Todd Jameson. Okay, that's me. Woohoo. Close out the comments. And what you'll see is that I can actually, how HTML looks at this is anything out between the opening comment tag and the closing comment tag. Everything here is just, it's a comment. Multiple lines, whatever. I mean, it can go on infinitely, basically. Anything between here and here is treated like a comment. So this is what's called a single line comment. You'll see that the open and closing tags are on the same line. And then you have a multi-line comment, which is right here. And what you'll see is here in Bob's Rib Shack, we don't actually see anything unless we right click and view page source. and then you'll actually see the comments here. So, heads up if you're a developer, what you don't want to do is type in a bunch of dirty stuff there, or make fun of Bob or anything like that, because if they right click on that code, they can see it. I've actually seen people do that. I'm like, really? Were you born yesterday? How did you get a job being a developer? You obviously don't know what you're doing. All right. Now, your tutorial goes into some kind of what if junk there on different different browsers, but we're not going to worry about that. Okay, we're just going to kind of keep it simple with what we have here in our comments. So again, here's how you do a comment. You do an open comment tag, type in your comment, close comment tag. It can be on one line, which is called a single line comment. It could be on multiple lines, just a multi-line comment. It doesn't matter, whatever works best for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll help you out. Thanks.